What's going on, y'all? It's GML. Once again, you see it. If you've been wondering how to get into these tokens that everyone is convicted to and been talking about, I'm gonna show you. And it's on a mini app called Gas Pump. So I know there's a lot of beginners here, people I've been talking to personally, trying to show them how to get it done. With me, I'm TSC and Team TCAT. But if you want to explore your other options, here's a video for you with Gas Pump. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on Telegram and in the search bar, type in gas pump. It's already here for me. It's a bot, right? So once you're there, you're gonna start and you're gonna launch it, all right? It says connect wallet. So with the wallet you have in Telegram already, you're gonna connect that wallet to Gas Pump. And you're gonna add some ton. Once you add ton, TON, the open network, you're gonna find these tokens and they already categorize tokens over here for you. So you have the hottest ones, the tokens with the highest market cap, and little baby tokens, the ones that just came out. And then it's gonna show you your tokens, the ones that you invested to, or you put on your watch list, so on and so forth. When you click on the token, this is what it's gonna look like. Let me see if I can bring a good one up. Let's go top market cap. All right, weed. Boom. So you have the option to buy one, buy two, buy three. It gives you the options right here. You buy that. If you don't want to continue with it, obviously you would sell. But after a certain amount of time, I'm pretty sure it goes into Dex Screener or on the other big platforms you could view tokens and watch them grow. With Gas Pump, you could see the volume being traded. You could also see the 5-minute progress, the 15-minute progress, the hour progress, and the whole day progress of the coin itself. So the coins I've been talking about, TSC and Tuncat, they all started over here, Gas Pump. So if you have other coins, in mind, you're thinking about purchasing, hop on Gas Pump and do you go crazy. But I would say if you would want to be a part of a community that is PPP and not PVP, Tuncat, TSC. Simple. But yeah, that concludes the vid. How to use Gas Pump. What is Gas Pump? It's on Telegram. How to access it. Peace out. GMO signing off.